guys, oh my god, a tree fell down from this, like, it was looking like a tornado was forming on top of a house. It was just, like, swirling around. Sis! A tree fell down. Oh! My god! It looks like a cyclone was forming. Whoa. Our tree fell down, guys. Look at that. Guess my tree fell down. Dang. Oh! Now we're getting some severe lightning. My god, guys. Oh, and we left our window open. Oh, and the spider web's getting drenched as well. We'll go to somewhere where there's less noise and look at this. This all came in from that window because it was swirling so hard. Like all the mud and stuff. So I was in here, right? I thought it was just regular, like, belting down rain. And then I just keep hearing loud claps of thunder. So then I go outside and yell at my mom, Mom. And then I go outside to the front door, go outside to the back door, and then I see this, like, swirling tornado forming. But it's not really a tornado, it seemed like a cyclone.
This is wet. This is wet then.
Our boom box got wet. And our tree fell down from the cyclone stuff, whatever it was. Dad, do you think that this is just a regular storm? Yeah, this is the biggest storm we've actually ever had. Oh! See what happens when you're not filming outside when you're like in the middle of a tropical storm. Shush! Shush! So yeah guys, I just wanted to show you guys that, and I'm gonna check the front door. This door, but not that door. This door was open when that was happening. And I don't know how next door is doing, but like, God. Like, oh my gosh. I don't know what happened. I don't know how it happened. I don't know why it happened. But it just happened. So yeah, guys.